Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to turn on camera access in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. To access camera application, to turn it on if it's turned off for some reason, we have to go to settings. We are looking for security and privacy option here, and under privacy we have our camera access. We can turn it on, and now every application that is allowed to use our camera with our main camera application, of course, will have access to the camera. To turn it off, simply tap it again, and now no application will have access to our camera. And that's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.